guys, thank you for tuning in to my video about my new 2024 Hyundai Elantra N review. So today I'm gonna be doing a quick drive around the Bay Area canyons and compare this Elantra N with my E92 M3 and my Tesla Model 3. Okay, let's see. Let me go into N mode. Cool. So yeah, I had a quick drive with this car up to Alice's, and so far it's been pretty good. I would definitely say handling wise, suspension tuning, chassis tuning is pretty decent. Comparing this Elantra N to a stock BMW E92 M3, I would say it gives me more confidence. But with my modded E92 M3 with some aftermarket coilovers and adjusted alignment, of course, you would imagine the M3 would perform better, and that is the case. In terms of acceleration, it's decent. Of course, it has around 276 horsepower, and I forgot the torque number, but it's definitely decent. Feels more torquey down low than my E92 M3 for sure. So city driving is very easy and effortless. As you can see, the DCT, I'm driving in manual mode right now, and the DCT response is pretty good compared to the GetTrack and the E92 M3. These Hyundai self-delivered DCTs are pretty good. Like, response are good. Lag is almost non-existent. I've also driven PDK, and of course PDK do perform better. They are more snappy, but these are definitely decent, and you can't feel any lag, I would say. And in terms of smoothness of this DCT, it's, I've set a level above the E92 M3. Like, this DCT almost handles like a ZF 8-speed in terms of smoothness, while it is as fast, if not, I'd say faster than the ZF 8-speed. As you can see, the car handles the corners pretty well. The ESD definitely helps. Like, it handles more like a all-wheel drive car, to be honest. Like, traction is very good. One big disappointment that I have is the exhaust sound. But for a stock car, I can't say anything negative about it. But I was just expecting more, especially watching YouTube videos of the Elantra N before, taking delivery of it. Car definitely sounds better on the outside, but on the inside you can't really hear too much. You can hear some crack and pops, which, let me try to induce some crack and pops. You would have to rev it up high and then let go of the throttle. See, nothing. Maybe it's a 2024 model year, since there was some scandal with the California Elantra N owner, getting state revved on a stock car. So maybe Hyundai tuned down the cracks and pops. Yes, I don't hear anything. It's pretty inconsistent, which is what I like. But yeah, so far I'm not hearing anything. Yeah, exhaust is definitely a letdown. Other than that, comfort-wise, I would say the suspension stiffness is close to my Tesla Model 3. By the way, the Model 3 is at 2021, so pre-refresh. And yeah, like suspension stiffness is pretty comparable. I will say the Model 3 is, in terms of steering feel and overall chassis dynamics, feels a bit better than the Elantra N. Way more direct feel, and that could be due to the front suspension being a double wishbone on the Tesla Model 3. Yeah, but other than that, in terms of comfort compared to my modded M3, that's a different level, right? Like my M3 is way too stiff. Yeah. Okay. I think that's all I have to say so far. I'll keep you guys updated and enjoy the rest of the drive. I'll stop talking. So I'm able to put the car into my custom N mode, and now I can induce the cracks and pops. Just throttle and let off the gas. Around 4,000 RPM. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.